Today we're gonna be doing a fishing challenge.
Today's challenge consists of fishing. We only have 30 minutes, a $20 budget, and we can only shop at these 2 stores.
I got my boy Aaron.
What's up, guys? What's up, ladies? What's up, guys?
So the 2 stores that we decided on are Walmart and Bass Pro Shop.
And a coin flip decides who shops where.
You ready or what?
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, I want Walmart, he wants Bass Pros, and the coin is gonna decide which one we get. So if it lands on tails, I get to decide. If it lands on heads, he gets to decide. But
I could even go to Walmart.
Yeah,
Here goes. All right, heads.
Heads.
I got Bass Pro. We're gonna go to Bass Pro first to see what I could get with $20.
Have you been to Bass Pros? Yeah, huh?
Yeah,
They got some big ass fish here. We need to catch one of these today with $20.
$20. Good.
All right, this is where we want to be. Anyway, there's like no way that there's gonna be a fishing rod for less than $20. And even
Well,
then,
if I need to get a kid fishing rod, that's what I'm gonna get.
yeah, but
Like
even
this.
then, I feel like they're not even gonna be $20.
Let's go on the clearance side.
Wait, so what are the things we need? Like to get a fish, what do we need?
Fishing rod, lure, like a spinning rod, whatever. You
And
can
that's
just
it,
get.
huh?
Yeah, that's all you need.
Should we share the bait?
No, you have to.
Now we get our own bait,
Yeah,
huh?
you get your own bait, and that's all.
Bro, even the kids.
Not even on the kids area I could find a cheap.
You might,
I think
have,
I
you might
messed.
have to go with that, bro.
I think I messed up. See some rods over here. See if I could find some.
Okay.
So these are. There's an 18 bucks, but
Holy shit, do these work?
yeah, these are for like
Man, these are huge. Man.
ocean.
Catch a shark with this, bro.
Spring. That's so crazy how Bass Pro doesn't have like nothing affordable for, you know, people. Man, I gotta find something,
Alright, so
bro.
what's the plan? What's the plan?
Well, I
You're running out of
think-
time here. You look like a sad little boy, like just dragging your hand across. This was his idea, by the way. This is your only option, bro. This is your cheapest option. $18.
No. You guys have a fishing rod less than $20? Less than $20?
The yellow one.
Yeah, this is what I'm doing.
$17.99.
Yeah, $18. Now, then you're gonna have $2 left to get the bait.
Unless you apply for a credit card today, you get approved, you're gonna get 20 bucks off, you get it for free.
He went in for the kill.
And you get a free hat.
Alright, cool. We do this. This is the best that I could do. $17.99. And now I gotta get the spinner. I think it will work. $1.99. I think I'm at $20. This is what I got. I'm gonna win this challenge.
Uh-oh.
Longer rod. I'm gonna change it out.
Last minute change. Same price though, so that keeps the price
Yeah.
at the same. So now we're at Walmart and it's my turn to spend the $20. Let's see what I can find. Okay, so we made it to Fish in Heaven at Walmart. See, we can already see the prices here. Much lower, $4 for this. But I'm not a fishing expert, so I honestly don't even know like what I could get to lure fishes in. But look at this, $9.97. This is already way better than Aaron's. This is the one I use, I think, at the canal, no?
Yeah.
This is the one I use. We might replicate it. Nah, we'll go for another one.
Just a different color.
From here up, I think we're done. We can't get more from here because this is already $10. This is the same one but another color. And then from right here, it's already $19. How much are the worms?
They could vary up to $20 and $5. It just depends.
So we might not get worms.
It's Walmart.
Look. $5, bro.
But bamboo, that's pretty dope.
$5. Could be an option. We got this one for $11. These are like a little bit weird though, no?
Brown.
Oh, but this is just the stick.
It doesn't come with the combo. It's called the combo.
Okay. Oh, it's called the combo? And
Yeah,
it's like,
when it's all together.
we're probably not gonna get any of these. We got one. We got a combo. We got a fishing rod. $9.97. The difference between this and Bass Pro Shops, that means we have $10.03. Damn, is this a good idea?
You would be.
It just doesn't come with the bait, no?
You would be on your
But it doesn't come with the
budget.
bait, so I don't know if like we can even catch fishes with this. Can
Yes,
we?
you can.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
All right, let's look at this option. So this is $19.97. That's one option.
Check
I'm
the
gonna do
baits.
this, and then I'm gonna check the bait. Should I get like those, man? Like, should I get like?
Yeah, these are actually dollars. Damn.
But like,
the future.
this is just the bait, no? This
yeah,
is like
but
the
you
food.
just put a hook, and the
Uh-huh.
hooks are like they're
And I
cheaper.
cut these up, like I just.
No,
cut them
you
up.
leave them like that.
Like a full.
Yeah.
And we're gonna catch a big ass fish with this.
Yeah, fucking.
Let's go. Oh, $2. Yeah, we're going with this. $2. This
These
was
baits are
$9.97.
like-
Since we're at Walmart, I can buy both of these. We're probably at like $17 or $18 right now. What would I need after this? It's kind of all I need, no? This is a hook, right?
Yeah, it has hooks.
Did we get a safety whistle?
Small
I mean, I'm
hook.
pretty happy with these with no cap.
Well, let's go get the hook. You need a hook.
There was already
No,
hooks.
no, these don't have hooks. You gotta buy the
Oh, no
hook
mames.
for
Okay, so 2.
it. You should add a fucking like a little thing on top.
Okay, so we're at $17.79, so we have $2 left. But these ones already have the string, so I would have to just like wrap another one.
Yeah, just tie it up right there.
It'd be easier to just do it on here.
It's called the leader. These has leaders already.
We'll go with this because it's a little cheaper. This is $196. So I think we're good. This is what I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take some hooks, the Yum Yum bait, this power bait with the little fish and a hook on it. And then we're gonna take this. So if you look at the video for fishing in a canal, we use this to catch a bluegill. But today we're gonna use this, but in blue, to catch some even bigger fish. So let's go to the lake.
All right, guys. So we're at Riverview Park. It's a park here in Mesa, Arizona. There's a little lake right here in the middle. We've seen people fishing here before, but we don't know if there is actually a good amount of fish. Aaron checked out FishBrain. It did say that there was a couple of bluegills and carbs here.
Yep.
And the grass carbs one.
Yeah, grass
Damn,
carp.
I already know my fishes and shit. So the challenge, we have to complete it in 30 minutes or less. Whoever wins the challenge gets to pick the next challenge for the next video. Let's see who the best fisherman is.
We don't promise you that we're gonna catch something because
Yeah, it looks a little slow, but we want to catch something, so we're gonna try our best. Let's get it. So we're gonna start the timer now. All right, first one in there, baby. That was a terrible throw. All right, I think I'm gonna just reel it back in because that was super terrible. All right, let's see. Guys, I apparently forgot how to fish from the last time. Yeah, I'm not gonna cap. I don't think we're gonna catch anything here.
I think we are.
I'm gonna just go for it. Ready? There it is. That's what we want. This one you have to like constantly keep doing this. At least that's what Aaron told me. No, viejo.
Patience, my brother.
Hey, fool, so you just like throw it like with one hand?
Yeah.
I'm trying to go as slow as I can, but I mean, I get like impatient. And then Aaron's crossing me over there and shit.
I mean, I only got one lure. That's all I got, bro. All right, I gotta win this.
Oh
fucking
yeah, I
challenge,
forgot.
bro, like,
This one only has one lure, so I actually have the advantage, and I can switch lures if I want, bro. Like I want like a fish to just come and like grab it there so bad, like just I want it to be that easy. Just it's a little hard to catch fishes here because we think that like fishes aren't really eating right now because it's the middle of the day. We don't think they're eating too much, but we're gonna keep trying. We're gonna keep going for a catch. So stay tuned. Aaron used to be a YouTuber too, and now he's coming making a comeback to YouTube.
come back. Yeah, it's just been busy with the family, kind of harder. People understand and work. That 9-to-5 job is horrible, and we don't just.
Nah, wait, I caught a rock, fool. I caught a rock.
Don't let it sink.
There it is.
You got it back?
Yeah. This thing got stuck, so I think it's about time that I switch my lure.
Oh yeah. Oh, fun.
So we're gonna switch to this, the Yum.
The yummy yum.
The Yam Yams. We have to catch something, bro. We're running out of time with. You know what, fool? We might even need to go like more towards the middle.
Right now, there's a lot of bottom feeders. That's what they're doing right now. They're sleeping because of the
heat.
the heat. They're looking for.
So this one might work more because I'll just leave it chilling, no? I don't know though, way. It doesn't seem like effective. So lure number 2, we're gonna try this. This is the next combo right here. I feel
And
like
I'm still with the same one. I can't change it.
I feel like I needed a weight on that though, huh?
No, you just gotta.
I'm gonna let it sink for a little bit. See what it does. A ver qué pedo. Not seeing any action at all. Like I haven't even seen like a little fish jump. Nothing, bro. Might have came at the wrong time of day. Yeah, huh?
Probably, but
It'd be more like a sunset thing. At the little fucking toy.
I'm
Right.
with it. I'm gonna keep this
Yeah,
in my
low key, fool,
truck.
I think like you're even throwing it farther than me. We should change it up, way. We should like walk down there.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, I'm down.
Go. Felt like it was too dead. I think there's like other spots.
Yeah,
There's
so,
other people fishing over there, so there's probably a reason why people are over there.
and honestly, every time I've like come over here, I always see the people fishing over there and never on this side. So we're gonna try and go over there to that side and see if we get a little bit more lucky there.
What about if you catch a duck, bro?
Hey, you can eat ducks, huh?
Bro, they're amazing, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You being duck?
Yeah.
Is it legal?
No, it's not illegal.
Is that illegal?
No, you just gotta have a hunting license and.
You have
bro,
one?
just we could buy one.
Ah.
$50.
I don't know if I want to eat a duck though, you know, cause
Bro, that'll be a good ass video, bro.
eating a duck.
No, well, like going hunting.
Oh, going hunting.
Yeah.
Want nothing to do with the sun. Look at this. That's what Aaron's trying to eat. Look at that.
Nah, but not.
He's a monster.
No. That's cool. Where are you guys finding all these fishes? Nice, nice. You guys need help?
Wait, so you guys go? Oh, damn.
Yeah, I got you.
See, this is a spot over here. We were just over there and there was nothing.
She caught a carp at the same time I caught the catfish.
It was about the same size too.
There it goes.
There it is. So Aaron caught that with his toy. That's
awesome.
That's sick. Look at that.
Can I wash my hands real quick?
Yeah.
It's like water though.
That's fun. You guys gonna cook it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
They got dinner for tonight. Damn, so you guys caught that right there in that little section.
Yeah, right over here.
Yeah, I
under the
caught
bridge.
this one over there. She caught the carp over there.
Nice.
All right, so we came to
Where's
the
the
right
carp
area.
at? You let it go?
Yeah, we let it go.
What
Damn.
are you guys using?
We're
Bread.
using bread.
Nice.
They're using bread, bro.
Awesome.
All right.
Bread if you want.
Yeah, we might.
Well,
Yeah,
hey,
we might get
that's
some.
not against the rules, bro. So you can get some bread from them.
Yeah.
Aaron got some help, so we might be able to
Thank
catch
you. Yeah,
something
we'll be
within
good
the
with this
time.
one. Thank you.
Thank you guys, appreciate it.
Thank you.
We might be able to catch something now within the time frame, viejo. Now we moved on to a little shaded area. This is the area where they caught that catfish, so
And they caught a carp.
and they caught a carp. So this is gonna be the spot, gang. I do have the advantage on this one, so I am gonna let them take the bread and I'll stay with this and
Take
see
the-
which one.
Take the money.
Cause Aaron did need the help. Plus he's the one that helped them unhook the catfish, so he deserves the bread. By the way, I don't think this is gluten-free bread. I think this is normal bread. That's why they caught it. Fish are picky. They don't like gluten-free bread. They like regular bread. All right, guys, while we wait for Aaron to get ready to put the bread on his hook, we did pause the time to move over here. The time that we walked from over there to over here, it didn't count towards the time. So now we're back with the time and we're starting again at 15 minutes. So we have 15 minutes to catch some fish. I'm gonna put this in the video, bro. He's cheating. He's straight cheating. Look at all the stuff he brought. That's all past $20, bro.
Hey, let me see.
You're cheating, viejo.
I'm trying to get a weight, bro. I don't fucking have a weight.
So he's not cheating. He's not cheating, but he's putting a weight on his thing that he has from his bag. I'm watching him really close. He's not using anything other than the weight. So just because I'm a good friend, we're gonna let him borrow one of the hooks. We're gonna be doing a couple more of these with my boy Aaron right here. But also remember to subscribe to the channel. And go
like.
watch and like and
Give me a like
drop a
button.
comment. Also go watch all the other videos that I have because I do other stuff than just fish. I'm not just a professional fisherman.
Tell the truth, bro.
I'm also a professional paddleboarder. I go on crazy river streams and stuff. I'm just a professional outdoorsman. We're the new outdoor boys. But yeah, go watch the rest of the videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Go watch the rest of the videos. All right, so the timer's back on, 15 minutes. We're gonna go for under the bridge because they caught something under the bridge, and which it makes sense because they don't want to be in the sun right now. So we gotta go to them. We gotta invade their space.
Well, just so you know, if you're planning on eating what you catch, don't let it
Aaron,
Who's that? No mames. I just saw your.
wait. You don't want to do my shit. I caught a fish. This.
that could
bro.
be the intro.
Today we're gonna catch fish. God damn it. I suck so bad. I'm gonna throw it like right here. I'll go right here. I'm gonna do a little technique right here. I'm gonna do technique fishing. So I'm going right there. Right there. Now these fishes might be smart. They might not go for it, but
Hey, come and see this turtle.
there's a turtle?
Yeah, there's a turtle over here.
All right. Where?
He was peeking in there. He was peeking over here.
You're gonna fish right here?
Yeah. You
This
wanna?
might be the spot with. Nah, I'll fish in that bridge. You fish in this one.
Okay.
All right, Aaron faked us out with the turtle. He said he saw a turtle, but that was cap. I think he was distracting me. He didn't want me to catch a fish. Now we wave.
So hot.
Bro, this Arizona heat just kind of makes you go into like a bad mood. It's insane.
But what you could do is go like that to it. Like move the. Act like it's.
I gotta provoke it.
Yeah. And we wait. And we wait. And
5
wait.
hours later. What do you have to say to the fans, viejo? The people watching you at home.
I just hope that you guys keep watching. We're gonna do random videos. He has a lot of plans. I got a lot of plans.
Nah, but yeah, make sure you go follow Aaron on his Facebook. He posts a lot right there.
Panga Life Sonora. Go. I've been trying to do more open sea fishing. Maybe I could get little EG out there.
We're gonna go do open sea fishing. No cap, we have to do it. I'm gonna jump in there and grab a shark by the fucking choke it out.
Yeah, it's so different kind of fishing. There's fishing in general is awesome and calming.
You look like you're having so much fun right now, bro.
Oh well, I'm relaxing, bro. Like this is my relaxing time. Like,
Fucking hot. That's what
it's part of it.
What's the temperature right now, bro? This is what we do for you guys.
What's the temperature in Mesa, Arizona?
104. Wait, I think I might just throw a bread right here. Fool, that's the strategy. We're gonna throw some bread so they can like make their way over here, and then they'll confuse it. We're gonna throw some bread right here and over there, and we're just gonna like corral them basically. That's my game plan. I feel like that's a good game plan.
Here's your cheating bread
It's not cheating way. It's a strategy.
strategy.
It's a strategy, viejo. You gonna throw on your side or no? We're gonna grab this bread, break it into little pieces. Look, they're right there. They're already biting way. They're already biting, viejo. Look, if you guys see them, they're gonna look at that. Little ass fishes. Little ass fishes, but they're there with. We know they're there. Look.
Any good fishes sizes?
Nah, they're little fishes. But it doesn't matter what size we get, no?
Doesn't matter.
As long as we get a fish. That way. But this was not biting for this, look. It's right there. It's literally right there, but it's just not biting. We'll catch something with bread for sure, way. Look, you're about to catch something. They're fighting for it, bro. You can literally see them fighting for it.
Oh, he stole it.
Damn, they stole that shit.
The hook is too small, too big.
Not a good day for fishing, huh?
No, not a good day.
30 minutes are officially up. We couldn't get any fish, but we decided that we're gonna add 10 extra minutes just because we found this thing with the bread. Damn, we ran out of bread, huh?
Yeah. No, we still have bread.
We found that we're gonna try and lure them in with the bread. So we're gonna try that. We added 10 more minutes to the clock.
I think I caught something. Yeah, I think I got something. Here.
You guys can walk by if you want.
Here.
What is this?
I got something.
Oh, you got something?
I think so. Oh no. They got me.
Damn. I don't think this bait is gonna work. So I'm just gonna take this off and put some bread on the hook. And that's gonna work for sure. That's gotta work.
Yeah, it's too hot right now, and we're trying to get bit. There's a lot of small fishes getting our bread.
All right, this is gonna be it. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Has to work, bro. We have no other option. So all I need is this much, and I'll get a fish. It's confirmed. There it is. They're biting. Oh no. No! They stole my bread. Next strategy. This has to look smaller, I feel like. Look, they're moving around it. They want to get it. Oh, they're biting. They're biting. I actually feel them biting it, but... You guys have your fishing license and registration? We do. Fuck, bro. I don't think we're going to get anything. All right, guys, so our time is up. It was a bad day for fishing. Like, I don't even think it was because of us, but it's just that we came in the middle of the day, like extremely hot, so the fishes don't even want to be like out there. They're under the bridge in the shade. We only had $20 to spend, so we didn't get good bait. We did get the bread, but we didn't have the correct hooks for the bread.
It was a hard challenge.
If you guys want a part 2, where we go fishing with the same equipment, the same $20 equipment, but in a different area and a better time, let us know in the comments. But other than that, subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, and give us a like, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Subscribe and like.